Nick, how's it going? This is Carlos and I'm with ABC Nissan. Hey, check it out. I wanted to send you this quick video so that way I can better introduce myself, of course, and also introduce to you the 2016 Pathfinder. And as soon as I stepped out, guess what I saw? I saw this gunmetal gray one with the same trim level that you were looking at. Here, let me show you a little bit on the front. It's going to be very well equipped. You're going to have your backup camera, FM, AM, satellite radio. You're going to be able to connect your phone through Bluetooth. So you are going to be able to play your music without even, connecting any wires to your phone, which is a really cool thing on it. Here, let me show you the outside. It's that gunmetal, all right? The rims on this, I got to tell you, man, the rims on this are nice. Nothing too special, but at the same time, there's some really good looking rims. I've noticed that on some of the trucks that when they come out of the dealership, the rims are not anything special, but this ones, they look pretty cool in my opinion. I like them a lot. Here to show you the bed as well. All right, it's a beautiful truck, Nick. I'm telling you, this is one of the trucks that I feel like you definitely do have to drive for yourself, so that way you can get a feel for what kind of handling they have. With these new ones, I know Nissan has been putting in a lot of good work with the suspension, so they're gonna handle pretty well. So go ahead and give me a call. I'm at 602-264-2332, and I look forward to hearing from you, Nick. Here, let me show you a little bit more on the truck, okay? All right, Nick, hopefully that helped out. Go ahead and give me a call, okay? I look forward to hearing from you.